Your girl is back. I've officially returned and I'm so excited. Now I know you're gonna ask me, girl, where the heck you been? Let's see, without getting too long-winded. I had to just go through some things. Life threw me some curveballs, okay? But with each trial and tribulation, I made it. I'm stronger, I'm wiser, and I'm back even more passionate than ever. I'm grateful. I'm so grateful. On a positive note, it wasn't all bad. I've been on a move. I've been elevating. I've been on a journey to do a more extensive research on all things natural hair care for my coily, kinky, curly, wavy cuties like y'all. Y'all just don't know how much freaking time I had on my hands to think about all of the informative content that I want to drop on y'all. Like content from how to do hair based off your porosity, the different products to use based off your porosity. I'm dropping motivational content because we all need to be motivated. And I'm also dropping self-love content because when you love yourself from the inside out, baby, your hair grow. If you ain't know, now you know. Now you know. Y'all look at me. Come closer. When I tell you all I want to do is inspire, educate, motivate, and celebrate, that's all this channel is going to be about. I am creating a community. We are going to be a community. We a family. We cousins, y'all. We cousins. And I want us to embrace each other. I want us to embrace every kinky curl, every coil, every wave, all hair textures. We got you. We supporting each other. We in this thing. All we want to do is maintain healthy hair, drink our water, and mind our business. Okay, I gotta sit up for this. One. Hold on, let me take a sip of water. Y'all look, this so cute. Okay, anyways. On a serious note, I really want to thank y'all so much for sticking in there with me. I want to thank you for encouraging me. I want to thank you for the support and for welcoming me back into the hair care community. Like, y'all make me want to go so hard. And that's what I'm going to do. Bring y'all nothing but educational videos and good vibes. But before I wrap this video up, y'all know it wouldn't be me if I didn't drop some type of hair care fact, myth, or whatever. Most of us may already know this, but I just want to reiterate how important it is to detangle your hair from end to root. Don't start up here trying to detangle your hair and get into a kink and rip your hair out. The best way to detangle your hair is preferably wet. Spray it or put the cream on there, something that has slip, a lot of slip. Get your detangling comb or your fingers and gently comb through from end to root. We probably already knew that, but I just wanted to say something. Okay, y'all, so thank you so much. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any content. And I'm thinking about posting on Sundays. The Sunday's real good for everybody. Sundays, you know, real chill, lax day. We in the groove of doing our hair and we just need something to watch. I got you. Sundays, I'll be posting new videos. Thank y'all so much again from the bottom of my heart. See y'all later. Until the next video.